Welcome to the part 8 video of the chapter Polynomials. In this class, we shall discuss what is factor theorem. Factor theorem is basically a continuation of remainder theorem, or I can say that it is an extension of the remainder theorem. We all remember what is remainder theorem, right? Remainder theorem says that if any polynomial p of x is divided with another linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder for this division is given by p of a. What is this a? A is the 0 of this divisor, right? This is remainder theorem. Now, factor theorem says that during this division, x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x if p of a is equal to 0. What is the meaning? That is, if p of a is equal to 0, that means the remainder of this division is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. It makes sense, right? When the remainder is 0, that means x minus a is a factor of p of x. Or I can rewrite this as p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. So basically, factor theorem says that when we divide p of x with x minus a and then the remainder is 0, that is p of a is equal to 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of p of x, or vice versa. It is true in both the cases. Let's do an example to understand factor theorem better. Here is the question. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So we need to check if x plus 2 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay, so let's name p of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, as per factor theorem, it says that x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. Here a means that is the 0 of this polynomial x minus a. So first let's find the 0 of this polynomial x plus 2. It will be x plus 2 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 2. So the 0 of this polynomial x plus 2 is minus 2. Now we need to find p of minus 2. Okay, so if we get p of minus 2 as 0, that means x plus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So we need to check if p of minus 2 is 0. Only then we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. So let's begin. Now p of minus 2 will be minus 2 raised to whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 raised square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So this is minus 8 plus 3 into 4 will be 12 minus 10 plus 6. Now if you work out this, you will get the answer as 0. So we got p of minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. P of x means this polynomial. Thus, by factor theorem, we proved that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. Here is one more question that is based on factor theorem. Find the value of k if x minus a is a factor of 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Okay, so in this question it says that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Let's name the polynomial as p of x. So x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. What does that mean? That means p of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, where did I get this 1 from? By finding the 0 of this polynomial. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So this is the one, this one, right? So p of 1 is equal to 0. So the question is asking us to find the value of k if p of 1 is equal to 0. So by factor theorem, by factor theorem we have p of 1 is equal to 0. Thus we can write p of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 cube. I am substituting the values here, plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k. So this is equal to 0. This expression is equal to 0. Now 4 into 1 cube is 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k is equal to 0. 4 get cancelled and we have 3 plus k is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to minus 3. So the value of k when x minus 1 is a factor of p of x is minus 3. I hope the concept of factor theorem is clear to all of you. Now in the next video we shall study factorization of polynomials.